Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to BiteBliss Mom's Kitchen, the Palate Playground. Here we have chicken breasts topped with purple onions and yellow bell peppers with broccoli also to add to the pan. And everything's fulfilling, good for your organs. We got the potatoes, the fiber, iron, vitamin C, vitamin K. You know, look at this. Look at the colors here. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Throw that seasoning in there with that beautiful sound. I just played along with the music. That was all in the works because I didn't do that. Really, that was by accident. So it was meant to happen. And we had it in the oven for a bit. I'm gonna place it back in one more time. Give it about another 10 minutes of cooking. Pull it out to be ready to serve with the side of brown rice. Can't go without brown rice. I mean, it's essential. And I'm just giving some some camera work here. Play with your eyes a little bit. Have you want something through the phone, through your laptop, through your TV screen. You want to bite of that. Look at that. I didn't have a bite of it, but I don't know if you can through that TV, but through that screen here, look at that. Ooh. Yes, and it was delightful. Maybe you can pretend to have a bite, I'll feed one to you. Here you go. Thanks for watching. I am the narrator, Sire, and as you can see, the credits here. Hope you enjoy watching. Thank you. Mom's Kitchen.